Okay, class, for our week 13 topic, so we're going to discuss about the searching algorithm. So based on the definition, the searching algorithm is used in the data structure in finding one or more elements from the data set. The main purpose of searching algorithm is to check an element or retrieve it from any data structure. These searching algorithms are classified into different parts, generally based on the type of searching. Okay? So, ang idea class ng searching algorithm is meron tayong given key to search. Then, yung key to search na yon is hahanapin natin doon sa series of number na yon. Okay? So, kapag yung key to search is nahanap doon sa element ng series of number, automatic sasabihin ng program natin kung saan location siya nahanap ay nalocate dun sa series of number. Okay? So, yun yung idea ng searching algorithm. Okay, so meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng searching algorithm. One of the example is yung linear search o yung tinatawag nating sequential search. So the idea of the linear search class is it searches a set by comparing the key value one by one to each value in a set. The search end when the value is found. Okay? So halimbawa dito class, sa ating PowerPoint, meron tayong given key to search which is equivalent to 5. So yung idea ng linear search class is itong si key to search is kukumpara niya yung value niya one by one doon sa series of number natin. Okay? So, ito, yung first value, which is si 4, ikukumpara kay 5. So, kapag equal sila, automatic is i-identify o determine ng program nyo kung saan location siya. Okay? So, after the first element, isusunod si second. So, since equals 5 at nahanap ko sa position 1, i-output ng program nyo na si 5 is nahanap sa index 1. Okay? Pupunta na naman siya dun sa next element, iisa-isahin niya yan, then i-output ng program nyo kung saan-saan location kita si dito search nyo. So, in this case, nahanap si 5 sa index 1 or at sa index 7. Okay? So, ang next natin class is we're going to create a C++ wherein magkakreate tayo ng linear search. Okay? So, in this case class, ang gagawin natin is since meron tayong series of number, ang gagawin natin is magde-declare tayo dito ng array. So, gagamitin ko yung variable items. Okay? Then since meron tayong 8 element dito, so ang size ng array natin is equivalent to 8. Okay? So ano yung laman ng series of number natin? Meron tayong 4, 5, 8, 7, 5, then you have here 10, then 3, then you have here equivalent to 5. Okay, so i-close natin to. Then you have here semicolon. Okay, so aside dun sa series of number, meron din tayong key to search. Ang value ng key to search natin is equivalent to 5. Okay, based dun sa example natin. Ayan, ang key to search natin ay equivalent to 5. Okay, so magiging idea ng program natin class is itong si key to search one by one dito sa series of number natin. So, since one by one natin siya i-kumpara doon sa series of number, kailangan natin ng for loop dito. So, you have 4, integer x is equal to 0. So, 0 yung inertia niya since sa kanya is mag-i-start doon sa unang value ng series of number nyo. Okay? So, ang magiging niya is equivalent to 8 since meron tayong walang elements dito. Okay? So you have your x increment, then open, then another close. Okay? Ang susunod natin class is magkakaroon tayo ng condition. Ang condition natin is ipapakita natin sa series. So ang magiging condition is if k, si k yung variable kung saan inassign natin search natin is equal to 1 times ito yung variable na sila para sa series. Ang magiging counter nyo dyan is x. Okay? Then you have close parenthesis, open bracket, then another close sa baba. Okay? So, ano yung magiging logic ng program natin? Kapag si dito search ay equal dun sa element na series of number nyo, automatic is i-determine niya kung saan position siya nalocate. So, ilalagay natin dito, the key is found. So, lagay tayo ng message na the key is found in index. Okay, so saan mga index siya nahanap? So, maglalagay lang tayo ng space dito. Then, sabi kung saan position nahanap si key to search. Sabi capital X. Tayo nyo sa for loop. So, lalagay nyo rito is X. Then, lagay lang tayo dito ng end line class or NL para for every nalalocate niya yung 5, yung output niya is mag-output dun sa taba at hindi sila mag-output sa isang line lang. Okay? So, check natin. Okay? So, check natin kung the same siya output dun sa ating PowerPoint. So, according here, yung key natin is nahanap sa index 1, 4, and 7. So, which is the same dun sa ating PowerPoint. Okay? For the explanation, its equivalent C++ program, please see the next video. Thank you, class.